Hi, Carmel. Why aren't you eating a nectarine?
No.
Oh, I would. Oh, Mommy said I should eat it.
We're in Lancaster now. We are just in Allentown, about an hour and a half away. So now we're in all the cornfields, and there's lots of greenery that the dogs are just eating. It's like the whole time we've been standing here, they're just eating grass.
Is it fiber pepper?
I'm not gold, by the way.
We're doing a haircut. I'm cutting our hair. I'm an excellent hair cutter. I've done good so far. We're locking the door, so if it turns out bad, we can just put a hat on her and then walk out. It's fine. It's so cool.
Well, we were out west. Hatchimal sent us this really cool packets.
Ooh, man. That is a lot of Hatchimals. Collectibles. Egg. Big egg. See what they did there?
Okay. Yes. Now you're supposed to rub this till it turns pink. Turning pink. Oh, you do yours, Dad.
Okay. I have to show her how this is done.
Why are you beating on it? Doesn't say beat on
It
it.
needs to be warm. Oh, look.
Yeah, see, you press on it.
You press
Really
it.
hard.
Oh, mine's cracking.
Mine's cracking.
Look at it.
Look, here he comes.
Look at it.
He's adorable. Before we get too far along, we wanted to say thank you to Hatchimals for sending this to us.
Yeah.
This was out of the blue. We just got the box.
Out of the
We
blue.
had no idea where we were
Mine's
getting
blue.
it.
Mine's blue.
So thank you so much,
Yeah.
and we hope you go
Amazing,
check
I
them
love
out
it.
because they're awesome.
Alright, oh, McKenna's turn. Your big sister is stealing them.
We have lots.
Look what you got. Oh my gosh, it's adorable.
Oh, that's a bumblebee. He has gold wings, I think.
Finally get to wash the RV. 75-degree day. Nice breeze going, so we're washing the RV.
Since we travel full-time, our RV gets really dirty really fast. And finding places to get it washed isn't always easy, and it can be expensive. And most parks that we do stay at don't even allow you to wash your vehicles.
You missed a spot. McKenna, you missed a spot.
Where?
I don't know. Somewhere.
Vince!
Best job ever.
So it's been 6 months since our RV, Michelangelo, has had a bath.
Lunch break. Time for lunch. Ding, 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 ding. We're going out on a drive here in Lancaster County where I'm from, and we saw the sign for the produce stand. I'm like, I gotta stop. There's tons of these around here, and it's kind of a local thing. There's farms all over the place, so they sell the produce.
Thank you.
One of the great things about our travels is we get to see so many amazing things all over the country. But being away and then coming back kind of gives you a bigger appreciation for some of the local things in our home state and our hometown. It just kind of made me think that, you know, there's things that are amazing all around you. You can just go probably in your backyard or in your hometown, in your neighborhood, and you can find things that are awesome. I'm gonna put this challenge out to you. Go out there in your backyard or in your neighborhood, find something awesome and get a picture of it and send it to us. But we're gonna feature them all on an upcoming video. We're gonna show you all these amazing things.
There's nectarines in the back, and it'd be good to show you guys the nectarines in Lancaster County nectarines.
And you eating them?
And yeah, eating them.
Hi, Carmel. Why aren't you eating a nectarine?
No.
Oh, I would. Oh, Mommy said I should eat it.
We're off to the bike shop here by my parents' house. It's like a Mennonite shop. They do good work, so we're gonna get Jared's bike fixed up from when he had his crash. I think the shifter is a little bit bent. Yeah, I'm gonna get some repair work done on this bike. You have to get a helmet too, so because once you crash with a helmet, you should replace it because it can get cracked. Well, that didn't take too long. We got the estimate. It's gonna be about $100 to get the new chain and the derailleur adjusted and fixed. We found a helmet.
Shit, too much for a dog.
Okay, we're trying to tape, but
Put it
there's
to the side.
dogs that like to walk directly in front of us when we're taping. Yeah, look at that. The grass is all wet. It's like we were out west for a few months and everything's so dry out there and you don't really see water or moisture anywhere. And now we're back in Pennsylvania, we're out walking the dogs and we forgot like our shoes, our sneakers get all wet in the morning when we're walking the dogs because there's dew all over the grass.
We're driving again. We do a lot of driving. You know, the 50-hour drive from California to Pennsylvania wasn't enough.
We're on our way back from church, and it's an hour and a half drive because the RV is in Lancaster because we're visiting with our grandparents, and our church is in Cupidburg where we used to live. So it's quite the drastic change from last week when we just had to step out the door of the RV and go to church because we were literally parked in the church parking lot. There's the church, and there's our RV. And after driving an hour and a half to Lancaster in a few hours, then we're just going to drive back, except with the RV this time, and once again be in the church parking lot for just like a night or two this time.
And we took a back road and we came across this creek. And since all the flooding and rain, it's like really overflowing.
So sometimes to just live life to the fullest and get out there and enjoy your life, you just have to stop.
And walk through cornfields.
You just have to stop what you're doing and look around, take a deep breath and see what's out there, see how beautiful it is. So today, instead of just driving all the way back to Dab on Poppies, we had Ryan and Jared drop us girls off. There's Alex up there. There's Alex there. Like 3/4 of a mile from the house, and we're just walking to enjoy it. It's so pretty out here.
One foot. Alright, you got full board.
Alright, we got packed up and we're making the trek to Coopersburg. About an hour, probably take an hour and a half. First we're going to go to the Turnpike Service Plaza. They have an RV dump station, so we'll dump the tanks. And then we'll go to our favorite RV resort, the church parking lot. And then we got to figure out where we want to go next. That's kind of sometimes the way we roll. We don't know where we're going until like the day before sometimes.
Which is both bad and good, but take what you can get.
Yeah.
So we got to the toll booth and there were 4 easy pass lanes and 1 cash only lane, and we almost missed the cash only lane. So we had to cut in line and annoy the people behind us.
Okay.
5 is 10, 10 is 20.
All right, thank you. So we got through the toll booth finally. And the total for dumping the tanks at the plaza was $5 and then $4.50 for the Turnpike toll to go 1 exit, which is about 8 miles.
Good.
All right.
So RV's all set up. So now we're gonna get pizza. It's at our aunt's house. Mom came up and picked us up, and now we're driving back to get pizza.